Well, the moon looks pretty full. I don't know if it is or not, but we gave her a bath. You still stink. You still stink. You're stinky. I wiped her down pretty good with some doggy shampoo, but I don't know if it's going to do it or not. There's almost no traffic. We had a cool front that came in. Turn right. And I even had to put socks on. She'll never listen to me. She's just like her a woman. You're a girl. You're a woman. Daddy, you're so stubborn. Why don't you listen once in a while? Sometimes I think she can't hear me. But come on, turn right. We did one. We used to go around Westchester Boulevard out in LA and Lincoln Avenue. It was pretty busy. And I actually did a video, a walk around there one day. Right, let's see it's a really nice night. I hope you can hear the crickets. If we were down in Bristol, we'd have a lot of fireflies. The fireflies are everywhere. And they last a long time. They start about in June down in Bristol. And then we'll go down there maybe Friday. Now, there's nothing coming. I'm not going to worry about it too much. There's a house for sale. Ooh. I still think these houses are a good deal. Anything in Buffalo. There's tons of room here. A lot of bodega type of houses where you can, you can live in the upstairs and have a restaurant below. I gotta see which way we go here. I think we go left. Let's go left. Yeah. Yeah, we're trying to get the most direct route to the. Oh gosh, it's just knocking me out. So we'll go over to the playground. The playground is where we play. Come on. You think you know everything. You think you're such a stubborn. I think that's the border collie, I think. Yeah, these roads were just paved and it's like glass here right now. I can still smell the skunk on her though, even though I'm like this far behind her. Well, here's a kid on a skateboard, so watch, we'll scare the hell out of him when she goes up now. She goes up after him. Kids are all stoned anyhow. I think this kid might be wheeling pretty high, like a high bike. Let's go see. Go get him. I don't know, he's on a skateboard. I hope he doesn't have earbuds in and he end up in my lap. All right. Getting down to school territory here. Man, is it nice. And even during the day, this is pretty good. There's sidewalks everywhere. I don't know why these kids. Let's take a left here, baby. This is their stop. I might hop up on the sidewalk just to show you the difference. And Miss Dottie is gonna. The whole city is loaded with sidewalks. They're not all perfect. But if you're on a trike like this, what I do is sometimes I just go over and I straddle it because my rear tire is sitting there on the grass. I got two tires on the grass, only one on the pavement. Well, this is the ball field. This is what I've been looking for. I'm gonna come over here and smack some softballs. Look at that, it's only a couple blocks away. Alright, let's get back out on the street. Let's get back out on the groom train. I tell you, there's nothing like silence. I don't know where my girl went. Anna! Must have sniffed something. Anna! There she is. Come on, move over. I thought I saw a car. Maybe not. Well, I'm almost tempted to just go right over to the football field and everything at the high school. It's so beautiful. We had a nice trip to Buffalo this afternoon. We checked out the Elmwood Avenue area for apartments. My bike wasn't ready at the campus bike shop, but look out! Get out of my way. Come on, I can't be running into you. Get out of my way, fool. I saw a guy in Texas once. And he had his horses, and all the horses had different personalities, so some were more dominant, I guess, in the pecking order and stuff like that. So I saw him in the corral one day, and he's like really pushing this one horse. I mean, really laying into him. And he said that was the only thing that horse understood, and it was a stallion. So he said, I never turn my back on him, and I never walk around him. I always make him get out of my way. And I think that's a pretty safe way to be around horses. Pretty good kick. Oh, Dottie, where you going? Where you want to go? This must be Pioneer. Slow down. Let me catch up. I don't know where I want to go. I never know where I'm going to turn. Oh, this is Wurlitzer. We're going left. We can go back down the Guy Street. Neighbors are probably wondering what the heck happened. Most of them probably never smelled a skunk before. They freak out when they see a dog that's not on a leash. They see a dog running and they're like, oh, go all crazy. But she sticks her nose in it every once in a while. That's what happened to her the first year I had her down there in Bristol. It was real hot. I was sick with a urinary tract infection. I couldn't keep right. She started chasing the deer, and I couldn't call her off. And I was too weak to get on my motor scooter and go chase her, so all of a sudden I hear this wild screaming down behind the pond. It was like something ungodly sound. It was kind of a mix. She was screeching though, and when she came running back home, she had 2 clear punctures in her left hindquarter where she had gotten bitten by probably a mother deer, I guess, because I don't think the deer minded her hurting, but she could catch up to them, and they weren't used to having anything catch up. The mother did what mothers do. Put a nice bite in her leg. So she's got a little tattoo on the where the bite marks are. And we're all the way back to Thomas Fox. We'll take a left. This will be too long of a video, but it's so nice I could keep going. And we'll go down here and go back home, and we'll go for another ride on the e-bike maybe. This will tire her out, and then yeah, I gotta change this jacket too. I think I put this Gore-Tex little skinny jacket on when I went to wash her because I didn't want to get my new shirt dirty, and I didn't want it to stink. I think the best way for her is if I just don't give her any drink at all. I think the best way to take care of you, Dot, is no directions at all. Well, these are one of those nights when you wish you bought one of those telescopes or one of those things. I'd rather see a full moon like this than 1,000 Christmas lights. A whole bunch of fireworks. It's too bad people don't come out of their little shells. I was thinking the other day how we treat our kids. We bring them up, and then when they, just about as soon as they're old enough, we give them a 3,000 pound shell that goes 100 miles an hour, and we set them out on the highway. Well, this is home. My dad and mom's dream. My dad planted all these trees behind us. That silhouette is him. And this is us. And this is our end. Ooh, almost 15 minutes. All right, baby, come here. Come on over. Come on. Oh, you still smell. Ooh. Ooh, your eyes are looking. Did you get squirted in the eyes? I think she might have gotten an eye squirt. I probably have to put tomato sauce on there or something. You want to say goodbye? Give me a kiss. We still love you. Give me a kiss. Don't do that again. All right, thanks for watching.